In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an icon in Figma. Whether you're preparing assets for a design system or polishing a single screen, getting icon sizes just right keeps your interface clean and consistent. Here's how to do it clearly and reliably using Figma's built-in tools. First, select the icon you want to resize. Click directly on the icon on the canvas so it's highlighted. Icons are often vectors grouped together or wrapped as component instances. So make sure the icon itself is selected and not the surrounding frame or an entire section of the layout. You'll know you've got the right thing when the selection box hugs the icon's actual edges and the layer name reflects the icon rather than a broader group. Next, move your attention to the bottom area of Figma's interface. That bottom panel houses key transform tools. Click into that panel to access the options related to transforming your selection. This helps you switch from simple move or resize behavior to more precise scaling controls, which is what we want for icons. Now, choose Scale. The Scale tool is designed to resize elements proportionally while also scaling stroke weights, effects like shadows, and corner radii in one go. That's the major advantage over dragging a corner handle. With scaling, your icon keeps its visual weight and balance, so a 2-pixel stroke stays visually correct at the new size. This is especially important for small UI icons where even a 1-pixel difference can make things look off. With Scale selected, look to the right-hand menu in the Design panel and adjust the scale setting. You can type a percentage for precise control. Enter something like 150% to make the icon 1.5 times larger, or 75% to reduce it slightly. You can also use the up and down controls to nudge the value until the icon feels right. As you adjust, Figma will keep the proportions intact and update strokes, radii, and effects together, preserving the icon's integrity. If you work with standard icon sizes, keep those targets in mind. Common sets include 16, 20, 24, and 32 pixels, so your interface remains consistent across screens. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If the icon is an instance of a component, scaling the instance won't change the main component, which is often what you want. After scaling, glance at the icon's crispness on the canvas. Clean edges usually mean you're aligned well to the pixel grid. That's it. Select the icon, open the bottom panel, choose Scale, and fine-tune the scale value on the right. Simple, accurate, and consistent every time.